I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious hot chocolate powder mix. First, gather your essential ingredients: unsweetened cocoa powder, granulated sugar, and powdered milk. These form the base of your rich and creamy drink. Don't forget a small pinch of salt. It really helps to bring out the chocolate's depth. You can also think about adding a dash of vanilla powder or a sprinkle of cinnamon for extra warmth and flavor. Let's get started. Now that you have your ingredients, let's combine them. For a standard batch, measure 1 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder and 2 cups of granulated sugar into a large mixing bowl. Next, add about 1½ cups of powdered milk. If you're using salt or other spices, add them now too. Whisk everything together very well, making sure there are no lumps. A well-mixed powder ensures a consistent and delightful hot chocolate every time you prepare it. Proper storage is key to keeping your hot chocolate mix fresh and delicious. Transfer your freshly made powder into an airtight container, such as a glass jar or a sealed plastic container. Make sure it's completely dry inside to prevent moisture from clumping the mix. Store it in a cool, dry pantry or cupboard, away from direct sunlight. When stored correctly, your homemade hot chocolate mix can last for up to 6 months, ready for whenever a craving strikes. Finally, the best part: enjoying your homemade hot chocolate. To prepare a single serving, simply add 2 to 3 tablespoons of your mix to about 8 ounces of hot milk, or even hot water for a less creamy option. Stir it thoroughly until the powder is completely dissolved and the drink is smooth. For an extra treat, top it with whipped cream, marshmallows, or a sprinkle of chocolate shavings. And hey, if you're looking for ways to make meal prep easier, check out the leak-proof containers linked in the description below, along with other great deals. Enjoy your cozy, comforting drink.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.